Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we learned something logarithmic derivatives. Okay? हमने कुछ सम ऐसे लिए थे जिसकी बेस और पावर दोनों वेरिएबल था. उसके एक आध सम हमने एक्स्ट्रा भी लिया था जो कि बहुत इजी था. एक फॉर्मूला मैंने आपको याद रखने के लिए बोला था, वो था x रेज़ टू x. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x रेज़ टू x is equal to derivative of x raised to x is equal to x raised to x bracket 1 plus log x. ओके, इलस्ट्रेशन ही लिया था. अगला इलस्ट्रेशन लेता हूं, इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 31. y equal to a raised to x. See here, first I write y equal to e raised to power, that is x into log base. ऐसा मैंने लिखने को आपको बोला था. अगर x रेज़ टू समथिंग पावर है तो e रेज़ टू, फर्स्ट हम क्या लिखेंगे, पावर इनटू लॉग बेस. नाउ डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, देन dy by dx इक्वल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e रेज़ टू x सेम एज e रेज़ टू x इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ पावर, बट हियर पावर इज x इनटू log a, where log a is a constant and derivative of x, that is 1. okay, then into only one term, that is log a. Now I write e raised to x log a equal to a raised to x into log a. okay, तो ये हमको dy by dx मिल गया है. okay, ये हम फॉर्मूला के तौर पे ये याद रखेंगे, dy by dx. okay, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ a raised to x is equal to a raised to x into log a. यहाँ पे मैं फॉर्मूला लिख देता हूँ, d upon dx of a raised to x equal to a raised to x into log a to the base e. ओके, ये फॉर्मूला है, ये आपको हमेशा याद रखना होगा. अगर a raised to 2x है तो क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे देखो बेस है वो कांस्टेंट है. ओके, सपोज यहाँ पे अगर a raised to 2x है तो क्या होगा, तो a raised to x का जो डेरिवेटिव वो है a raised to x into log a. तो a raised to 2x into log a into derivative of x, here derivative of x, that is 1. okay, if x as a 2x, then a raised to 2x into log a into derivative of 2x, that is 2. okay, suppose अगर यहाँ पे 2 raised to x है, okay, अगर यहाँ पे 2 raised to x है तो उसका डेरिवेटिव होगा 2 raised to x into log 2 बेसिक. ओके, एक ही जगह पर दो है तो यहाँ पे 2 raised to x into log 2. ओके, अगर 2 raised to sin x है, here 2 raised to sin x, then derivative of 2 raised to sin x, that is 2 raised to sin x into log 2 basic into derivative of power, but here power is sin. okay, then derivative of sin function is cos function, then answer is 2 raised to sin x into log 2 into derivative of sin, that is cos x. okay, next I take illustration number 32, that is y equal to x raised to sin x, where condition is x is greater than 0. now I write y equal to x raised to sin x as y equal to first e raised to power, that is sin x into log base, that is log x. now derivative of this function with respect to x, then here dy by dx, and this side see here e raised to x, and we know the derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x. then I write e raised to sin x into log x into derivative of power, but in derivative there are total two functions, sin x and one function is log x. then we use here multiplication rule. okay, first derivative of sin function is cos x into second function log x as it is plus. now first function sin x as it is into derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x. now I write e raised to sin x log x equal to x raised to sin x into cos x into log x plus sin x upon x, which is our answer. okay, जो बहुत ही इजी सम था. नेक्स्ट इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 33. फाइंड dy by dx if y raised to x plus x raised to y plus x raised to x equal to simply a raised to b. See here, a raised to b, which is constant term, then derivative of a raised to b is 0. Okay, now we start from here. Now y raised to x plus x raised to y plus x raised to x equal to a raised to b. Now I write y raised to x as e raised to power, that means x into log base. Same here, e raised to y log x, same here e raised to x into log x equal to a raised to b as it is. a raised to b को इस फॉर्म में लिखना नहीं है क्योंकि a raised to b कांस्टेंट है, इसका डेरिवेटिव हमेशा 0 रहेगा. ठीक है, अब हम डेरिवेटिव करते हैं. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e raised to x, that is e raised to x means e raised to x into log y into derivative of power. But in power there are total two functions, one is x and second one is log y. Then we use multiplication rule. Now derivative of x, which is 1, and second function log y as it is, plus now x as it is into derivative of log y. Derivative of log, that is 1 upon y into derivative of y, which is dy by dx, which is derivative of first term. Now derivative of second term, here second term is e raised to y log x, then plus derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x into derivative of power. In power there are two functions, one y and second one is log y. First derivative of y, that is dy by dx into second function log x as it is. Okay, see here. Now y as it is and derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x into derivative of x, that is always 1. Okay, now derivative of e raised to x log x, we know the derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x into derivative of power, that is derivative of x into log x. First derivative of x, which is 1 at that time, second function as it is, plus now x as it is into derivative of log x, which is 1 upon x equal to derivative of a raised to b, that is always 0, y a raised to b, which is constant. Now I write e raised to x log y is equal to y raised to x. Then next step is y raised to x is first term into bracket as it is log y plus x upon y into dy by dx plus e raised to y log x. I write e raised to y log x equal to x raised to y. Then I put x raised to y into bracket dy by dx into log x plus y upon x. And next step, e raised to x log x, same as x raised to x into bracket log x plus x upon x, that is 1. Then I write 1 plus log x equal to 0. अब यहाँ पे क्या करना है? अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ इस इक्वेशन को सिंप्लीफाई करना है और dy by dx को सब्जेक्ट बनाना है. तो उसके लिए मैं क्या करूंगा, y raised to x को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, x raised to y को ब्रैकेट में मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा. See here, y raised to x multiply with bracket, then y raised to x into log y plus, see here, y raised to x plus into x upon y into dy by dx. Then see here, x into y raised to x upon y, x as it is, y raised to x in denominator y raised to 1. See again, y raised to x in denominator y raised to 1. Then subtraction of power, then I write y raised to x minus 1 into dy by dx. Next, x raised to y multiply with bracket, then x raised to y into log x into dy by dx plus x raised to y multiply with y upon x. First I write y into x. See here, x raised to y in denominator x raised to 1. Then subtraction of power, then I write y raised to x raised to y minus 1. This term as it is plus x raised to x bracket 1 plus log x equal to 0. Okay, see here. Now from these two terms, dy by dx is common, and remaining term take opposite side, and all these term, if we take all these term opposite side, then all terms are negative. Okay, now see here, from two terms dy by dx common. Okay, from these two terms, dy by dx common. Then I write x into y raised to x minus 1 plus x raised to y log x equal to these four terms 1, 2, 3, 4. Take opposite and then all terms are negative, and also I take minus common from all terms. Then minus bracket y raised to x log y plus y into x raised to y minus 1 plus x raised to x bracket 1 plus log x. Okay, y raised to x log y, take opposite then minus, same term y into x raised to y minus 1 opposite, and this term is also opposite. All terms are negative and I already minus common from all three terms. Now this bracket take in denominator, then dy by dx equal to minus y raised to x into log y plus y into x raised to y minus 1 plus x raised to x bracket log x in denominator x into y raised to x minus 1 plus x raised to y into log x, which is our answer. Now I take most important sum of exercise 5.5, okay, which is example number 30. See here, example is very easy but important in board examination. Exercise 5.5, example number 30, and question is y raised to x equal to x raised to y. Y raised to x equal to x raised to y. Find dy by dx. Okay, find dy by dx. Now I write y raised to x, here power and base both are variable. Then I write e raised to power into log base. Same here, e raised to power log base. See here, these two terms are same, base also same, then power is also same, then x into log y, x into log y equal to y into log x. Now simple derivative with respect to x. First here multiplication rule, derivative of x which is 1 at that time, second term as it is, now x as it is, and derivative of log y, that is 1 upon y into derivative of y, that is dy by dx equal to y into log x, same we use multiplication rule, derivative of y which is dy by dx into second term as it is plus now y as it is, derivative of log x which is 1 upon x into derivative of x is 1. Now this term dy by dx log x take this side, then this term is now negative, then here x upon y into dy by dx minus log x into dy by dx equal to y upon x as it is. Okay, now this term log y take opposite, then minus log y. Now from these two terms dy by dx is common, and also we take LCM. See here, dy by dx is common, then bracket x upon y minus log x equal to same y upon x minus log y. Now we take LCM from both sides, then here dy by dx bracket y multiply with the log x, then x minus log x upon y equal to same LCM y minus x log y upon x. अब क्या करना है, dy by dx को सब्जेक्ट बनाना है तो y मल्टीप्लाई होगा न्यूमरेटर में और ये ब्रैकेट x माइनस y log x जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर. तो मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ, तो therefore dy by dx equal to in numerator y into y minus x log y, and in denominator first term is x into bracket which is x minus y log x, x minus y log x, which is our very important sum, okay, for board examination and in 2 marks. Okay, 2 मार्क्स के लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा बढ़िया सम है। आई एम पी रेस टू आई राइट 500। ओके, आज हम यहां तक रखते हैं। Now I take some more example of exercise 5.5. First I take first sum. Okay, we already complete 13 number, which is very important sum. See here, y equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Take log function both side. Okay, here we have to find dy by dx. Take log function both side, then here log y equal to log bracket cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. But we know property of log m into n, then I write log m plus log n. Okay, here log this into this, that means log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. Okay, now derivative of log y, that is 1 upon y into dy by dx equal to derivative of log function, which is 1 upon x, here x as cos, and 1 upon cos x into derivative of cos, that is minus sin x. Same here, derivative of cos 2x, which is 1 upon cos 2x into derivative of cos function, that is minus sin 2x into derivative of 2x, that is 2. Same here, derivative of log function is 1 upon cos 3x into derivative of cos function, which is minus sin 3x into derivative of 3x, that is 3. Okay, now y, take opposite side and minus is common from all terms, then here minus y. Sin upon cos, that is tan x, minus already common, then here plus 2 as it is, sin 2x upon cos 2x, that is tan 2x, and here minus common, then plus 3 sin upon cos, that is tan 3x, which is our answer. Okay, बहुत ही easy sum था. Next, y equal to under x minus 1 x minus 2 upon x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5. Here y is equal to, also I write x minus 1 x minus 2 upon x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5 whole raised to 1 by 2. Okay, y equal to term whole raised to 1 by 2. First here I take log function both sides, then here see here log y equal to log bracket x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon x minus 3 x minus 4 into x minus 5 whole raised to 1 by 2. But we know the property of log. We take power now in coefficient. Then log y equal to 1 by 2 into log in numerator x minus 1 x minus 2 as it is, x minus 1 into x minus 2 as it is, in denominator x minus 3 x minus 4 into x minus 5. Okay, now log y as it is equal to 1 by 2 log m upon n. If log m upon n, then we write log m minus log n, that means log numerator minus log denominator. Then here I write log numerator, that is x minus 1 into x minus 2 minus log denominator. In denominator there are three terms, x minus 3 x minus 4 into x minus 5. Now we also one more property of log, that is log m into n equal to log m plus log n. Then here I write log y as it is equal to 1 by 2 log m, that is log x minus 1, log n, that is log x minus 2. See here, now log multiplication of these three terms, then I write log this plus log this plus log this. But see here, coefficient is negative. If minus multiply in bracket, then all three terms are negative. Then minus log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. Now derivative of this function. Derivative of log y, that is 1 upon y, into derivative of y, that is dy by dx, equal to 1 by 2 as it is. Now derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x minus 1, into derivative of x, which is always 1. Same here, derivative of log function, which is 1 upon x minus 2, into derivative of x is always 1. Next, minus derivative, then 1 upon x minus 3, derivative of x, which is 1. Same here, 1 upon x minus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 5. Now this y multiply with 1 by 2. Then our answer is dy by dx equal to y by 2. Bracket 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x minus 3 minus 1 upon x minus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 5. Here we put now value of y, but y is under root this. Then I write 1 by 2 under root x minus 1 into x minus 2 in denominator, x minus 3 x minus 4 into x minus 5. Here we put value of y into this bracket, which is as it is, means 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x minus 3 minus 1 upon x minus 4 and minus 1 upon x minus 5 as it is, and which is our answer. Now I take one more example, which is exercise 5.5, example number 3. And question is y equal to log x whole raised to cos x, जो कि बहुत ही इजी सम है. देख लेते हैं क्या है इसमें. फर्स्ट आई राइट y इक्वल टू e रेस्ट पावर इनटू log base. Here power is cos x into log base. Base is log x. Now derivative of y with respect to x, then here I write dy by dx equal to derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x, means e raised to cos x into log of log x into now derivative of power. But in power, see here, but in power one function is cos, second function is log of log x. Then we use multiplication rule. First derivative of cos function is minus sin x into second term log of log x as it is. Now cos x as it is, derivative of log x, here x as log x, then derivative of log x is 1 upon log x into derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x. Now I write e raised to cos x into log of log x equal to log x whole raised to cos x, log x whole raised to cos x into bracket minus sin x into log of log x plus in numerator cos x and in denominator x into log x, which is our answer. Now I take one more example, example number 4 of exercise 5.5, which is very easy example. Y equal to x raised to x minus 2 raised to sin x. ओके, क्योंकि बहुत ही इजी सम है. x raised to x minus 2 raised to sin x. We know the formula of x raised to x. We know the derivative of x raised to x, that is x raised to x into bracket 1 plus log x. Okay, and in previous lecture we proved that derivative of a raised to x is equal to a raised to x into log a base. Okay, चलो यहाँ पे आगे काम करते हैं. dy by dx direct. We know the derivative of x raised to x, that is x raised to x bracket 1 plus log x, x raised to x bracket 1 plus log x minus 2 raised to sin x. Compare with a raised to x. Here a as 2 and power is now sin function. Okay, then derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a, that is log 2, into derivative of power, that is derivative of sin function is cos x. Then our answer is x raised to x bracket 1 plus log x minus, I write first cos function cos x into log 2 into 2 raised to sin x, which is our final answer. ओके, तो आज का ये लेक्चर हम यहां तक रखते हैं। आज हमने जो भी सम पढ़े वो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं। डेरिवेटिव ऑफ लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन जिसमें बेस और पावर दोनों वेरिएबल है, तो इसको खास कैसे लिखा जाता है, बेस और पावर दोनों x है तो e रेज़ टू पावर इनटू लॉग बेस, ये हमेशा आप याद रखिएगा। और एक फॉर्मूला भी हमने पढ़ा है e रेज़ टू x का डेरिवेटिव जो है a रेज़ टू x इनटू लॉग a एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x रेज़ टू x व्हिच इज x रेज़ टू x इनटू ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस लॉग x, वो हमेशा आपको याद रखना होगा। ठीक है, ओके।